So you're on the Temu site or the Temu site and you're looking for something that's similar to AirPods. You might have most likely came across these here as one of the best sellers on the site or in the app itself, the Pro 4. Okay, now the best way I can describe these is that they are kind of like copies of a mixture of the AirPods Gen 2 and AirPods Gen 3. Okay, now these are like really cheap knockoffs, I'm going to tell you right now, and they can be purchased for under 10 bucks if you're ordering from the Temu site. Okay, so we'll just kind of quickly get a look at the box itself here. What we got here, platform-wide compatibility, meaning it's going to work with iOS devices, Androids, and possibly Windows. Intelligent control, as well as support as you go. Okay, so yeah. And box feels cheap. It doesn't feel like an AirPods box, all premium. Got auto power on, auto pairing, touch using Siri, and of course that's with an iPhone here. But we're gonna test it out with some Android here. And let's go ahead and see what we got in the box itself. Okay, so got the box here, and out of the box you can see very cheap plastic here. Means it's gonna be very affordable, and this is like really light and hollow plastic, so these definitely remind me of the knockoff AirPods from way back, the super copies and all that stuff here. This is your cable it comes with, and the guide, the Pro 4s here. Now other than all that here, this is what you're gonna get, and again, like really cheap plastic feel to it. That's why they're gonna be under 10 bucks. Okay, these now looks like they have the blinking lights, which I'm sure lots of us don't like, and I would also hope that the blinking lights will stop once it's fully connected and paired up. All right, so just a quick look at it. You can see the speaker grill here, the inner part here, and on the side here, and then we got like touch controls. So they kind of have a design that of the AirPods Pro as well, where the touch controls are. So let me just quickly compare them with the AirPods 3 here for you. All right, so here is the genuine AirPods 3, okay? And the reason why I chose the AirPods 3 to compare these two, it's because of their height and overall design is quite identical, even though this part here is kind of different. These have more of the AirPods Gen 1 and Gen 2 for the ear part here, but the stem part is going to be quite similar to that of the AirPods 3, okay? And of course, the Pro 4s don't have any markings or labels or any of that small fine print that you would find on the actual genuine AirPods, and that's one of the ways to tell the difference between any of them from the real deal to the copies, okay? So just a quick view of the case itself. As we know, it's the Lightning charging port, not USB-C. The back has the button here, which will allow for pairing mode when needed, okay? And this is with the little plastic covering there on it, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and pair it up to an Android phone. I don't have any iPhones at the moment here. All right, so this is a Samsung S22 Ultra here, and let's see if they'll pair up as you open up the case here. So the case usually should go into pairing mode, and we're going based on the blinking lights here. And let's see if they're gonna show up right away, or we will have to force them to go into pairing mode. And I'm seeing TWS here, so I'm guessing it's them here. And let's see if that is it. All right, so we're gonna pair it up here. And are they gonna pair up? Let's see. Because I'm sure lots of you out there have Android phones or Samsung phones, and you wanna know if it's gonna work with a Samsung or Android phone, okay? So I think it's connected here. All right, let me see here. Looks like it didn't went through here. All right, so this is attempt number 2. This is another Samsung phone with Android 12 here. I'm gonna turn on the Bluetooth here and just make sure they're both blinking. That you notice how they're both lit in blue here? That means that they're both set in the case and ready to connect. You'll see TWS, that's what they'll show up as. And let's go ahead with that pairing. I'll pair it up and you're gonna get this here. So I might be wrong. It might have a compatibility issue with Android 13 phones. Maybe it's just my other Samsung phone, but these were able to pair up pretty quick without forcing them into pairing mode or anything like that. Now I want to give you a little sound sample just to give you an idea of how they sound or how loud they can get. So just hold on to your eardrums as I'm going to play you a no copyright song, okay? But let's just quickly check this here. You can see they're allowed for calls and audio, which is the media audio, okay? All right, so just a quick one here. I'm going to put these close to the mic of the phone I'm using to record. I'm going to bring them up. Max volume here. Okay, so that sounds kind of okay. It doesn't seem to be so clear. There's not much bass in them, as I did kind of try them out earlier on. And there's not much thump to them, okay? So just so you know that there, okay? Now for the controls themselves, they're pretty awesome and respond fairly well. So tapping on it once here would play it for you here. So let's go ahead and do that. So that was a fail just now, but you can see it's playing now, and then a single tap again will pause it, okay? Double tapping it will go to the next track for you. So 1, 2. All right, so notice the switch here, and triple tap on one of these will bring up the volume. You'll see the volume up in a moment. 1, 2, 3. There you go, the volume there. And then on the other side, it's 1, 2, 3. And it's gonna 1, 2, 3. There you go. So notice it's going up. So one side brings it up, the other side brings it down. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if that's gonna work. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Okay, so that's bringing it down. All right, so cool stuff all in all. And I mean, for that price range, you can't complain.
I was able to get myself a phone to call myself, and we're kind of outside, a little bit of noise going on here, and hopefully you will now get an idea of how this thing actually sounds. So I have both of these in my ear, and you let me know in the comment section, what do you think about it? How does that sound to you? That's how a call would sound. Okay, and this is coming from a Samsung phone I'm using right now, and talking through the Pro 4s through the earbuds, of course, and you're picking it up from another Samsung phone. Okay, so that's that, and yeah.
So all in all, looking at earphones like these here for under $10, all right? If you're getting them from the TWS site, you're gonna get them for under $10. That I'm very positive of, okay? But if you're buying them from another site, like maybe eBay or Amazon, you'll probably end up spending more than $15, which I wouldn't recommend, because these are really great just because of the price that you're paying them for. I mean, they're not AirPods identical in any way. So if you think you're gonna buy these and your friends are gonna see it and they're gonna be like, whoa, these are AirPods, no, because they don't really have that clone look-alike to any of the AirPods, whether it's Gen 1, Gen 2, the AirPods 3, or the AirPods Pro, okay? So that's something to take out of your mind, okay? I am gonna do a video tutorial on how to pair them up with Android phones and test out to see if that app, the AndroPods app, that gives the pop-up animation on Android devices will work. You can test it out yourself before putting up the video itself, but other than that, my friends, you let me know in the comment section, especially if you have these here, and what do you think about them. So I would recommend them if you can get them under $15 or $10, okay? But anything more than that, I wouldn't bet my money on it, because in the past I've had similar items like these here, and they usually don't last too long. The battery starts to die really fast. Just my 2 cents based on my experience in past products, but maybe you might have better luck than me. But hey, that is that. Like and sub. Again, let me know in the comment section what do you think, or if you have them. Thanks for watching.